All right, so last night's meet went pretty well, and now today we're doing a photo shoot with some of the cars. Got my boy Julio here, Mike, and we're gonna do a little shoot around town. And we got the master photographer with us today. Julio, what do you want to say to the world about your photography skills?
What's up, guys? Unfortunately, forgot to charge my cameras, so we got the backup.
We got the backup.
We got the backup.
We're doing it the old way. I've been recording on my phone. He's recording on his phone.
Yes, sir.
That's all you need. That's
Follow
all you
the
need.
tuner stance.
Tuner stance, man. That's it. So Mike's IS 350, my RC 350, and Julio's RC 3 IC bet. Listen, I did it yesterday too. Julio's IS 300. Julio, what do you recommend for photographing cars? Like, what are some key things you need to take into consideration when you do your cars?
Yeah, so the main thing I usually try to do when I get a car is first I ask the driver, like, what do you love about your car? To kind of hyper focus on that. As well, the most important thing is knowing the car. So you have to see like how much money the person put in, what special things he likes, the color of their car, because you can't do a color tone with something that's gonna make the color and not add the car to top out. There's a lot of things you gotta look into, hyper focus on a few things. And the main thing I like to do is like the angles. Angles really makes the photo and the video, because if you shoot too low, you can make the car look a little bit too high. If you shoot too high, you can make the car look way too low. It's depending what the driver, the car owner, wants to have their car kind of portrayed in the photo or the video.
Sweet. All right, so just took some photos. We got 1, 2, 3 down, and we're gonna hit the next spot. So what Julio was saying about this spot is the contrast between colors. So ironically, we're at a post office, but the blue backdrop with the shadow of the sunlight being taken out by the buildings makes it look pretty good. So take some cinematics here and put it up. And if you want to see the end results of all the photos that we took today, go on my Instagram. It is Defiant Garage _ and it's going to be tagged right here. So follow us on Instagram too. You are now watching a master at work. All right, so that's it for today. We all got Shadu, but guys, follow everybody's social medias. They are going to be here for Mike's, and Julio's is going to be right here. Also, like, share, subscribe, share it with your friends, and if you enjoy the Unity crew or the channel, give Defiant Garage a subscribe. All right, this is Jay. Thanks for watching.